Hey guys, good evening. Here to tell you a little bit about something that I need to have in the house at all times. It's Krazy Glue. I use different types of glues. I have Gorilla Glue in the house and hot glue gun as well, but Krazy Glue is for different things that you can't use Gorilla Glue with. First of all, Krazy Glue really dries without any kind of residue, whereas Gorilla Glue gets a little stringy and it's not so great with like little glass pieces, like little glass ornaments and stuff that I have in the house. I need to use Krazy Glue for that. I find it's a lot more effective with certain materials, and glass being one of them. So this is the all-purpose Krazy Glue. You've probably seen it or heard about it before. Oops. Very simple to use though. You just pop the top off here. This is the top. Basically, you would just shake it up a little bit and push it in, and then the glue would come out. So it's very simple to use. So it's distributed by Elmer's Products Incorporated, 460 Polaris Parkway in Westerville, Ohio. Copyright 2012 Elmer's Products Incorporated, made in Japan and packaged in the USA. I believe you could get all different kinds of sizes, but this is just like the smaller standard one that I got. And this is net weight 3 grams or 0.106 ounces. It conforms to ASTMD or ACMICL. So it's the green, red, and white. I think that's like pretty popular. Like makes it stand out. I think it's kind of known for the colors too. That's how I always remember it, at least. I'm like, okay, the Krazy Glue always has like the green backgrounds. A warning on the back here: bonds skin instantly. You have to be careful of that, or else you're going to be sitting there with hot water and alcohol trying to unglue yourself. Contains cyanoacrylate glue. Sorry, I probably butchered that word. A little hard to say. Cautions: avoid ingestion. Keep away from eyes. Keep out of reach of children. First aid treatment: if eye contact occurs, rinse with tap water for 5 to 10 minutes. If irritation persists, seek medical care. For further health information, contact a poison control center or call the number there. For more safety information, see back of packaging. This is just like a plastic. It's pretty light. Sometimes if I find that it's like getting, like, because I've used this obviously several times, you guys could see the glue's like drying up and stuff like that there. What I find loosens it up a little bit is if you just run it under some hot water, and that'll do the trick. So that'll kind of get the glue loosened up and the top loosened up, and then it'll make it come out much easier that way. So Krazy Glue, like I said, works on all different kinds of things. I mean, my friend went so far as to glue like one of her fake nails like fell off and she ran out of nail glue, so she used the Krazy Glue instead. So the possibility, not that that's probably not recommended, but the possibilities are endless. Like I said, I've used like this small, it was like a small hand blown glass ornament, like decoration that my grandfather had bought me, and he's since passed on, so it means a lot to me. It was accidentally knocked off the table. I think maybe my cat knocked it over. It broke and I was really, really upset, so I whipped out the Krazy Glue, and it really helps to glue that back together. And of course this works the way that you would use like an Elmer's glue or something like that, but much stronger. But it's for all purposes. I just find that it works really well. Like, it probably works on wood. I haven't used it on wood, but I've used it on glass several times, and I thought this was perfect for glass. Better than hot glue or anything else. I find that certain glues work better with certain materials, and this I find works better when like something breaks and you gotta fix it, and it's just always good to have in the house. Because you never know, especially if you have kids and they break something, and you don't want to like wait to fix it, because then sometimes it could get worse. So it's just always nice to have Krazy Glue in the house for sure. It's very easy to use, inexpensive. If it's not sealed on tight, the glue could dry up and then it could be unusable. So you don't want that to happen. So always make sure this is sealed tight and store it in just like a room temperature place. So this was Krazy Glue. I hope that you guys try it out. I hope you love it. I hope you find it really useful, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone has a great night.